pendulum of length L oscillates with an angular frequency omega. The mass of the pendulum is doubled and its length is changed to L/4. What is the new angular frequency of the pendulum? The angular frequency omega is 2 pi over period, or 2 pi times frequency. And for a pendulum, period is equal to a formula given in the data booklet, and it's 2 pi multiplied by square root of its length divided by g. It's gravitational field strength or acceleration due to gravity. And you can notice that it is independent of mass. And when its length is changed to L/4, since there is a square root, it decreases by a factor of 2. And if period decreases by factor of 2, since it is in the denominator, hence omega increases by factor of 2. So it's C. And that's all for this question.